we can take the quadratic geometry. In this, horizontal line is representing as x-axis, vertical line is representing as y-axis. Here, this is 0 degrees, 0 to 90 degrees is y, 90 to 180 is again x, it is negative sign. 180 to 270 is again go through y. It is a circular motion, again 360. One complete circle makes the 360 degrees. Okay. Here, this first quadrant is theta plus 90 degrees. Sorry, 0 plus 90 degrees.
0 plus 90 degrees.
0 plus 90, sorry, 0 plus theta degrees. Theta is 0 is less than or equal to, theta is less than or less than 90 degrees. Less than or equal to 90 degrees. From 0 to 90 degrees. Or 90 minus theta. 0 plus theta. Both are same. In this, the first quadrant means sine of 0 plus 0 degrees plus theta degrees equal to opposite. The sine 0 means sine only, sine theta. If sine 90 minus theta or sine 90 plus theta, both are there. 90 is nothing but take odd means, that is odd. In the
odd
is sine becomes 90. If it is 90, 270 will come. 180, 60 will come, that is even. 90, 270 means that is odd. 9 is an odd number, 27 is odd number. If numbers 90 degrees or 270 degrees are there, then the sign becomes cos. Why? Because the sign is the y-axis reaches to x-axis. Again x-axis reaches to y-axis in the circular motion. So here sine 90 minus theta becomes cos theta. Why? Because 90 degrees minus theta means that comes in the first quadrant. When the function comes in the first quadrant, that first quadrant all ratios are positive. So cos theta is positive. If sine 90 plus theta is there, 90 plus theta in the second quadrant, the sign is positive. So it is cos theta. If sine 180 degrees plus theta is there, in the third quadrant sine is negative. So it is minus sine theta. Sine of 180 degrees minus theta is there. 180 means the same function will come. So in the second quadrant sine has positive. So it is sine theta. Like this it will come. Here theta plus 90 or 90 degrees plus theta and 180 degrees minus theta. These two are come in the second quadrant. 180 plus theta, 270 degrees minus theta will come in the third quadrant. 270 degrees plus theta, 360 degrees minus theta will come in the fourth quadrant. Okay.
Auntie ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్పరా సార్ అది sin 180 minus theta is equals to sin plus sin theta ఒకసారి చెప్పరా కింద రైట్ సైడ్.
Yes, that I will clear. These are clear na? 90 minus theta, 0 plus theta. 180 minus theta, 90 plus theta. It's clear. 90 plus theta, it will come here. 180 minus theta come in the second quadrant. 180 minus theta. 180 plus theta, third quadrant. 270 minus theta, third quadrant. 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant. 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant. If you get clear idea about this, then I can say that sine of 90 degrees minus theta, it will come in the first quadrant. Sine of 90 plus theta.
Okay.
Of 270 degrees minus theta. Sine of 270 degrees plus theta. Sine of 180 minus theta. Sine of 180 degrees plus theta. Sine of 360 degrees minus theta. Sine of 360 degrees plus theta. Just so you observe. Here these are even degrees, odd degrees. We can take as odd degrees, even degrees. When odd degrees are there, then sine becomes cos theta. Cos theta. Cos theta. Cos theta. Here sine 90 minus theta. In the first quadrant, sine is positive. So it is positive. In the second quadrant, sine is positive. So it is positive. In the third quadrant, sine is negative. So it is minus cos theta. In the fourth quadrant, sine is negative. So it is minus cos theta. 180 degrees minus theta means it is second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine is positive. So for sine means sine will come. In the second quadrant, sine is positive, so sine theta. In the second quadrant, sine is negative, so minus sine theta. In the fourth quadrant, sine is negative, minus sine theta. In the first quadrant, sine is positive, so sine theta. The first. So like that, similarly, cos good ante. Cos 90 plus theta. Cos 90 minus theta. Cos 270 plus theta. Cos 270 minus theta. If 270, 90 will come, then cos becomes sine. Sine becomes cos. Tan becomes cot. Sec becomes cosec. Cosec becomes sec. Okay. And we can concentrate about sine in the second quadrant negative, so minus sine theta. 90 minus theta, cos in the first quadrant positive, so it is sine theta. In the fourth quadrant, sine is positive, so it is sine theta. Cos is positive, so sine theta. In the third quadrant, cos is negative, it is minus sine theta. Okay. Cos of 180 minus theta, cos of 180 plus theta, cos of 360 minus theta, cos of 360 plus theta. Cos in the second quadrant, negative. For cos, cos will come. All cos will come for 180 and 360. In the second quadrant, cos is negative, so it is minus cos. In the third quadrant, cos is negative, so it is minus cos theta. In the fourth quadrant, cos is positive, so it is cos theta. In the first quadrant, cos is positive, so it is cos theta. Okay. Again, you go through all silver tea cups. In the first and fourth only, cast positive. So, it is the first quadrant, it is fourth quadrant. So, for these two only positive. The remaining two quadrants negative. ఇంకా ఏంటి అంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఫర్ tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 plus theta, tan 270 degrees minus theta, tan 270 degrees plus theta. This is odd. Odd is nothing but for 90 270 it will come cot.
Cot
theta, cot theta. Next we can concentrate on the sign. In the quadrant, 90 minus theta means first quadrant all are positive. So tan is positive. 90 plus theta, it is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant tan is negative. So it is minus cot theta. 270 minus theta, it is in third quadrant. It is in third quadrant means tan is positive, so it is positive cot theta. 270 plus theta, it is in fourth quadrant, so it is in negative. Negative. The fourth quadrant tan is negative. The same way, tan of 180 degrees minus theta, tan of 180 degrees plus theta, tan of 360 degrees minus theta, tan of 360 degrees plus theta. For tan, 180 tan will come. Tan theta, 360 also tan theta. Just you check. In the second quadrant, 180 minus theta. In the second quadrant, tan is negative. In the third quadrant, tan is positive. In the fourth quadrant, tan is negative. In the fifth quadrant, tan is positive. Like that. The same way, cot also. Cot of 90 degrees minus theta. Cot of 90 degrees plus theta. Cot of 270 degrees minus theta. Cot of 270 degrees plus theta. One minute. Okay. Cot of 180 degrees minus theta. Cot of 180 degrees plus theta. Tan of, cot of 360 degrees minus theta. Cot of 360 degrees plus theta. Again you check out. The first quadrant, here cot 90 for 270, change the tan theta, tan theta, tan theta, tan theta. In the first quadrant, it is positive. In the second, minus. In the third quadrant, positive. In the fourth quadrant, cot is negative. For cot 180, cot will come. Cot theta, cot theta, cot theta, cot theta. 180 minus theta, second. In the second quadrant, it is negative. In the third quadrant, positive. fourth quadrant negative,
mm,
first quadrant positive.
mm,
Same, sec 90 degrees minus theta, sec 90 degrees plus theta, sec 270 degrees minus theta, sec 270 degrees plus theta. Sec 180 degrees minus theta, sec 180
mm,
degrees plus theta, sec 360 degrees minus theta, sec 360 degrees plus theta. Again, for 90 to 70, sec becomes cosec.
mm,
For 90 minus theta means in the first quadrant, the sec is positive. In the second quadrant, the sec means it is related with cos. So sec is negative.
ah,
270 minus theta is also negative. 270 plus theta means it is in the fourth quadrant, it is positive. Why? Because
mm,
in the fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive.
mm,
For 180,
ah,
sec means sec theta will come. Sec theta,
mm,
sec theta, sec theta. In the second
mm,
quadrant, sec is negative. In the third quadrant, sec is negative. In the fourth quadrant, sec is positive. In the first quadrant, sec is positive. Okay. The last case, cosec 90 minus theta, 90 degrees minus theta. Cosec 90 degrees plus theta. Cosec 270 degrees minus theta. Cosec 270 degrees plus theta. Cosec 180 degrees minus theta. Cosec 180 degrees plus theta. Cosec 180 degrees, sorry, 360 degrees minus theta.
minus theta.
Cosec 360 degrees plus theta.
Plus theta. Mm,
Again, in the first quadrant, cosec is positive. For 90 to 70, cosec becomes sec theta.
ah,
First quadrant, cosec is positive. In the second quadrant,
ah,
cosec is positive. Third quadrant negative, fourth quadrant negative.
mm,
For 180, 360, the same function will come. Cosec theta,
ah,
cosec theta, cosec theta, cosec theta.
mm.
In the
First
second quadrant, cosec is positive.
positive.
The third is negative. Fourth is also negative. First is
Negative.
positive. These
Mm,
functions of the first, second quadrant signs can be taken in the different angles. Suppose 320 degrees, 310 degrees,
ah,
90 degrees. In that case, we can write as 360 minus 40, 360 minus
mm,
50, 270 plus 20, like that.
ah,
60 minus 670. In such cases, we are using these functions and we concentrate on the quadrant having different functions as different signs. Just you concentrate on
mm,
that only. If you
mm,
have good idea, immediately if it is 180, 360 is there, the same function we can write just to concentrate about the quadrant. On that quadrant, the function is positive or negative. If it is positive, put positive. If it is negative, put negative. That's the relation of the quadrant angles or trigonometric angles.
ah.
Okay. Trigonometric functions with negative angles means sine of minus theta, cos of minus theta, tan of minus theta. 6 functions are there. Cot of minus theta, sec of minus theta, cosec of minus theta. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. It is minus tan theta. Why? Because sine of minus theta by cos of minus theta, one is negative means another one is also negative. It is also cot theta is also negative. Secant is relating with the cos, so it is sec theta. Cosec of minus theta is relating with the sine. Sine is negative, so this is also cosec is negative. We have the relation f of minus theta equal to f of theta, then the function is even function. If f of minus theta equal to minus f of theta, then the function is odd function. So from this relation, cos and sec are even functions. The remaining all are odd functions. So you have to remember cos of minus 30 degrees will come. Then it should you write minus plus cos 30 degrees. That is equal to root 3 by 2. If sine of minus 30 degrees is there, then you can write minus sine 30 degrees. It is equal to minus 1 by 2. So you should remember trigonometric functions with negative angles. These are very, very important. It will come in the engineering. Trigonometric functions with angles greater than 360 degrees means we can take sine n pi plus theta. N pi plus theta means it will come in the first quadrant, and it is also pi is there. Pi means 180 degrees. 180 degrees plus theta means that will come in the third quadrant. If n equal to 1, 2, 3 will substitute. Sine pi plus theta means it is in the third quadrant. It will come minus sine theta. Sine of pi plus theta will come. It comes in the first quadrant. It is sine theta. So when
pi ante
180 degrees.
pi ante
180
2 by
2 pi means 2 into 18, 360 degrees.
okay.
3 pi means again 360 plus 180. That here, when we can substitute n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then it goes to either first quadrant or third quadrant. In the both quadrants, in the first quadrant it is positive, in the third quadrant it is negative. And again you can concentrate for even numbers positive, for odd numbers negative. So we can take minus 1 whole power n sine theta. You take 1 minus sine theta. You take 2 plus sine theta. You take 3 minus sine theta. You take 4 plus sine theta. This is also very, very important. The second one, cos of n pi plus theta. It is equal to minus 1 whole power n cos theta. Same, cos pi plus theta, the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, it is negative only, minus cos theta. Cos of 2 pi plus theta, it will come in the fourth quadrant, plus cos theta. The same relation is there. In the third quadrant, negative. In the first quadrant, positive. So minus 1 whole power n cos theta. Third one.
అంటే ఒకసారి ఇది మళ్ళీ చెప్పరా? ఇప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు 1 తీసుకుంటే మైనస్, 2 తీసుకుంటే ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్పరా?
If one means it goes to third quadrant. 2 means goes to first quadrant. In the first quadrant, sign is positive. In the third quadrant, sign is negative. So here also you take minus 1 whole power 1, it is 1. Minus 1 whole square, it is 1. It is minus 1, it is plus 1. So 1 means minus sine theta. 2 means plus sine theta. 3 means minus sine theta. 4 means plus sine theta. The same relation will come in the cos also. Third ki minus వస్తుంది, ఫస్ట్ కి ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. ఎప్పుడు n ఈక్వల్ టు 1 తీసుకుంటే మైనస్ వస్తుంది, n ఈక్వల్ టు 2 తీసుకుంటే ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. సో minus 1 whole power 1 minus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole cube minus 1 whole power 4 plus అలా అన్నట్టు. Tan n pi plus theta equal to tan theta. Here pi plus theta means third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan is positive. 2 pi plus theta, first quadrant. In third quadrant and first quadrant, tan is positive only. So no minus 1 whole power n. Fourth one, sine of n pi minus theta. It is equal to minus 1 whole power n plus 1 sine theta. Fifth one, cos of n pi minus theta. It is also minus 1 whole power n plus 1. It's not n plus 1, n only. Cos theta. Just again check. The 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta means second quadrant. 360 minus theta means fourth quadrant. If we can take n equal to 1, it goes to second quadrant. In the second quadrant, negative. In the fourth quadrant, positive. If n equal to 2, fourth quadrant. 1 is positive, 1 is negative. Here, complete, it is negative only. It is either second and fourth. In the second, it is positive. Fourth is negative. So positive means when we can take 1, 1 plus 1, 2, it will become positive. If you 2, it is in the fourth is negative. 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 is the negative. Like that. Sixth one, tan of n pi minus theta. It is equal to minus tan theta. We know that for third and fourth tan are positive, the second and fourth tan is negative, complete negative. For two quadrants, tan is negative, so it is no power. It's minus tan theta only. The seventh one, sine n pi equal to 0. Sine pi, sine 180 degrees. It is sine 0. 0 only. 360, sine 0. 0 only. So sine n pi equal to 0. These are very, 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 very important. Will come in higher education also. You have to remember what I teach today.